IRS Internal Revenue Service Tax News. IRS extends more tax deadlines to cover individuals, trusts, estates, corporations, and others. IR 2020-66, April 9th, 2020, Washington. To help taxpayers, the Department of Treasury and the Internal Revenue Service announced today that Notice 2020-23, there's a PDF and a link to it here. We'll have a link to this in the extension or the description. Extends additional key tax deadlines for individuals and businesses. Last month, the IRS announced that taxpayers generally have until July 15th, 2020 to file and pay federal income taxes originally due on April 15th. No late filing penalty, late payment penalty, or interest will be due. Today's notice expands this relief to additional returns, tax payments, and other actions. As a result, the extensions generally now apply to all taxpayers that have a filing or payment deadline falling on or after April 1st, 2020 and before July 15th, 2020. Individuals, trusts, estates, corporations, and other non-corporate tax filers qualify for the extra time. This means that anyone, including Americans who live and work abroad, can now wait until July 15th to file their 2019 federal income tax return and pay any tax due. Extension of time to file beyond July 15th. Individual taxpayers who need additional time to file beyond July 15th deadline can request an extension on October 15, 2020 by filing Form 4868 through their tax professional. Tax software or using the free file link on irs.gov, irs.gov. Businesses who need additional time must file Form 7004. An extension to file is not an extension to pay any taxes owed. Taxpayers requesting additional time to file should estimate their tax liability and pay any taxes owed by the July 15, 2020 deadline to avoid additional interest and penalties. Estimated tax payments. Besides the April 15th estimated tax payment previously extended, today's notice also extends relief to estimated tax payments due June 15, 2020. This means that any individual or corporation that has a quarterly estimated tax payment due on or after April 1st, 2020 and before July 15th, 2020 can wait until July 15th to make that payment without penalty. 2016 unclaimed refunds, deadline extended to July 15th. For 2016 tax return, the normal April 15th deadline to claim a refund has also been extended to July 15, 2020. The law provides a 3-year window of opportunity to claim a refund. If taxpayers do not file a return within 3 years, the money becomes property of the U.S. Treasury. The law requires taxpayers to properly address, mail, and ensure the tax return is postmarked by the July 15, 2020 date. IRS.gov, IRS.gov assists 24/7. IRS live telephone assistance is currently unavailable due to COVID-19. Normal operations will resume when possible. The help is available 24 hours a day at irs.gov, that's irs.gov. The IRS website offers a variety of online tools to help taxpayers answer common tax questions. For example, taxpayers can search the interactive tax assistance, link here, tax topics, also link here, frequently asked questions, yes, there's a link here, and tax trials with a link to get answers to common questions. Those who have already filed can check their refund status by visiting irs.gov, that's irs.gov/refunds.